To start with Magics smoothly, it's beneficial to familiarize yourself with the home screen and the various scenes available. To avoid cluttering your workspace with unnecessary functionality, Magics offers different types of scenes, each equipped with specific tools tailored to workflows. When opening Magics, the first dialog you will encounter is the home screen. This screen has 3 sections: Create New, Options, and the Recent Files. With the Create New section, you can start the most relevant scene for your parts. The options allow you to find the necessary settings, license information, and other common commands needed to manage Magics. The Recent Files section is populated with any previously opened files and has the Open and Load project commands. If you already have a working file, double-click on your recent file to continue working on it. To open a file from your system, you can choose to drag and drop the target file or use the Open button. The Load project command will automatically filter on Magics projects and only open files that come with the .magics extension. Before choosing a scene, it is important to know that each scene type can be used in different scenarios, allowing you to make the most out of them. Scene types are broadly split into part scenes and platform scene. Let's first explore the part scene types. Within part scenes, you can focus on editing, fixing, or simply viewing a single part or assembly. There are 2 types of part scenes, one for mesh parts and one for BREP parts. The mesh scene opens mesh files with the .stl extension, the most common format in additive manufacturing. It is the ideal scene to fix the mesh and to make any in-depth modifications, but be cautious with complex designs. The file size can quickly balloon with too many triangles, making it difficult to manage. Next, we have the BREP scene, where you can open your files in the native CAD format, like step files. Here, you have direct CAD-like editing capabilities, making it easy to implement and save changes directly from CAD. This ensures a smoother, easier reintegration into the design, avoiding the need for repair tasks. Since no triangles are generated, the file is easier to edit and less impacted by increased file size. Depending on which type of file was opened and whether it was converted to mesh or not, the right type of part scene will be shown. Both part scenes contain similar tools, but are adjusted to work on either mesh or BREP parts. Now, let's see the platform scene, which is your virtual build space. The machine can be specified for the platform scene. This scene is set up with the properties of the specified machine, automatically allowing you to focus on build preparation. According to the printing process, you can load parts, position them in the build space, generate supports, or nest the parts. A final tip: if you want to start your work with the same template every time, you can set this up under Default Scenes with the button. The new project automatically opens your project template, making it easier for you to start the next build. By exploring the various scenes available in Magics, you can streamline your workflow and maximize the potential of your additive manufacturing projects. Enjoy the process of bringing your designs to life with Magics.